What are the rules of nature that govern our planet? First, the law of energy, the principle that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Next, survival of the fittest, the rule that only the strongest survive. Lastly, ecosystem balance, the delicate equilibrium that sustains life. These laws are not man-made, but they govern all life on Earth. Our planet faces challenges due to imbalance, threatening these laws. Understanding and respecting these laws is our only way forward. We must strive to maintain the balance that sustains us. For in nature's balance lies the key to our survival. Let's respect the rules of nature for a sustainable future.